Install a peephole, enhancing your door security. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that's not only useful in everyday English but also adds a layer of security to your home. Install a peephole. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, travel, or to understand more about everyday activities, knowing how to talk about home improvements can be incredibly useful. So, let's break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, install a peephole, consists of two key components, install and a peephole. To install something means to put equipment or furniture in place so that it is ready for use. A peephole, on the other hand, is a small opening or hole in a door that allows you to see who is outside without needing to open the door. It's a simple yet effective security feature for homes or apartments. When combined, the phrase suggests adding this small but crucial feature to a door to enhance the safety of a residence. Installing a peephole in your door has several benefits. It increases security by allowing you to identify visitors before opening the door, provides privacy since you can see out without others seeing in, and adds convenience, making it easier to check for expected guests or deliveries without the need for electronic security systems. Understanding the importance of this feature not only helps in language learning but also in comprehending daily safety practices in English-speaking countries. You can use the phrase, install a peephole, in various contexts, such as when discussing home improvements, talking about safety measures, or even giving instructions. For example, in conversation, I'm thinking of upgrading my home security. Maybe I should install a peephole in the front door. In instructions, to enhance your door security, install a peephole at eye level on your front door. In recommendations, if you're living alone, it's a good idea to install a peephole for added safety. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, install a peephole, and why it's a practical part of home security and English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and everyday practices that come with it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful phrases and lessons. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.